Well, I love carousels, but I also love animals and learning about them. By the way, are those crayons?
Oh, this is my drawings. Do you want to draw animals with me today?
Yes, please.
Let's do it. Let's draw animals. Okay, let's draw some animals today. Pull out your crayons and draw with me. Let's start with a zebra. So, I'm going to draw the head, kind of like a little box. And draw the little ears, little triangles. And draw a second ear over here. And draw some eyes. And a mouth. And a nose. And draw a body now. This wall, kind of neck. And we have this square body. And draw the legs. Have this sort of knee over here. And then these little hoops. They replicate it in the other one. Show the legs. They have this funny little shape. And it goes back on this one. This and down to another hoof. And draw the tail. It's fuzzy at the end. And then we do the mane all the way down its neck. All right, what's the most important thing of the zebra? That's right, the stripes. So let's start adding little stripes. And the stripes are like unique thumbprints for zebras. So they're all different. And keep putting it all across its body. And a little bit on its face. There you go. We had the zebra. What else can I do? A feeding. Oh, I know. So let's draw a flamingo. So we have a big beak here and the round head. That very long, squiggly neck. Oh, and then the round body. They have these little arms. Whoa, long stick legs. Almost the same height as its body. And give it its second leg. There you go. And I'm going to draw eyes. And I'll smile, of course. Okay, there you have it. We have a flamingo. What else do we draw? Oh, how about a giraffe? Let's start with the head, the ears. Then we have actually little horns on their head. They really do use them. Then we have this sort of triangular shape for its head. And draw some eyes, nose, and a whole neck. And then there's a little, similar to a zebra, nice compact body. All right, and draw some arms and its toes. And do another one. And you got the legs. These little bumps for their knees. And again, their feet. A little bump for their ankles. Do the same thing over here. And last thing, with the table. Oh wait, let's not forget, they also have a mane as well. Okay, and let's draw these little shapes. Little wiggly shapes for the spots on the giraffe. Similar to the zebra, they're like thumbprints, but all unique. Let's color them in a little bit. And there you have it. We have a giraffe. Okay, what else can we draw? Oh, beijing. Oh, rhino. Alright, rhinos are very big. Let's go with its big that body first, like this. You know, hanging on a tummy. And we'll do the legs. Not so different from the giraffe, just a lot shorter. And then a tail. Big horn. And a little horn. And then ears. Yellow smile. And kind of replicate this with the legs. Okay. That's it. Make up the rhino. We do one more. Let's draw chimpanzee. Okay, let's start with his head. They look like little people, don't they? Focus for the mouth. And they had ears just like us. And they got eyes. Near the nose. And a smile. Then it's got shoulders and pierce there by your chest. Yeah. Whoa, long arms, just like ducks. Then another hands. Lines with a chest, and we have bare feet. Five little shapes. Okay, there you have it. Chimpanzee. Thanks for drawing with me. I can't wait to draw with you again. Let me just start with saying, Eve, thank you so much for having me and Jake a part of this today. We got to learn so much with all of our friends.
And I had so much fun riding a rhino.
You guys were great. And Jake, you were awesome on that rhino. It's just great to learn with friends and to explore.
All right,
Bye,
everyone.
friends.